So, you're looking for ways to make money from home? Join the crowd. Thanks to a genius invention, the internet, people are discovering more and more creative ways to fill their bank accounts with cash from comforts of their homes. I know you want to find some legit work that is not fraud, so I have analyzed 100 ways to work at home, and I want to share these 11 legitimate ways that you can make easy money at the comfort of your home. So, pour yourself a cup of tea or a glass of juice and keep watching. Number 1. Get paid for your opinion. Share your feedback or opinion on a variety of topics including movies, TV shows, shopping experiences, and also new products and services through Swagbucks. That's the Swagbucks app. You earn yourself free gift cards. You also earn $5 for just signing up. Number 2. Get paid for being healthy. The health app known as Achievement gives you points for being healthy and doing things like tracking your food, walking, or taking health service. You earn points which can be redeemed into cash or Amazon gift cards. For every 10,000 points you earn, $10, and there is no limit on your earning. It's fun crushing your fitness goals of losing weight and earning more for that. You can also earn 10 points for just signing up with Achievement. Number 3. Become a freelance writer. Doing a freelance work can greatly increase your income. Are you a guy who can naturally find mistakes in a written text? Well, huge and trustworthy sites like Upwork have thousands of employers who want to hire you for all kinds of tasks, where you can write or edit anything from technology to business articles. Get paid for every single article, and if you got a great reputation, you can turn this into a full-time job. Number 4. Change your search engine. Do you use Yahoo or Google to search for something on the internet? Well, leave them behind and start using Bing. That's the Bing search engine. Conduct your regular searches on Bing, make it your default search engine, and earn credit that can be redeemed for gift cards. You can earn as much as $5 to $10 per month. Note, make sure you're signed in when you're performing a search. Number 5. Online Juror. Do you love Law and Order? Have you ever wished to sit on a courtroom and decide if someone is innocent or guilty? E-jury provides an attorney the opportunity to pre-try the case before it goes to trial in front of an actual jury at the courthouse. E-jurors review facts and answer the question and click a submit verdict button upon completion. And for each verdict rendered, you are paid $5 to $10 depending on the length of the case. Number 6. Sell your old snapshots. Do you have some random pictures lying somewhere or photos that are taking a lot of space on your hard drive? Sell them on stock photo sites like Shutterstock. Such websites purchase photos from anybody. Even if you feel that the images are not worth selling, just give it a try and you might be surprised to see how much money you earn by just sending those annoying photos. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. Have you got a Go presence on social media or perhaps even a blog or website? You can start making money immediately by promoting all sorts of company products, services, and offers online. You can sign up as a publisher on the Allwin network. Check their offers blog or browse the merchant listing to find something you think your friends would be interested in. Grab your affiliate link and share it. If someone buys using your link, you'll make a very good commission. Number 8. Become a click worker. The Click Worker app displays appropriate jobs for you so you can quickly get an overview of the available work and get busy earning money. The range of jobs is diverse, and you can, for example, take a survey from comfort of your couch or make some money on the go taking photos. You're also able to see how much you earn per job, how long the job will remain reserved for you, and how many jobs are still available. Number 9. Gigs on Fiverr. Fiverr is now the world's largest marketplace for people to make money selling small services, known as gigs. The services offered could be writing, translation, graphic design, video editing, and programming, and their services start at $5 and you can go up to $1,000 with gig extras. But there is another way to profit even more from Fiverr for potentially far less work by simply reselling gigs elsewhere from. For instance, find a decent logo designer, then reply to jobs on Upwork and even local classifieds. A $5 spend can easily become a $50 earning, and you can repeat this process over and over. Number 10. Sell your notes. Are you a student with all these notes lying around and you really don't know what you're gonna do with them? Well, I have a solution for you because you can make some cash by just sharing your notes with other students online, and when they download them, you get paid. You can start selling your notes today by uploading on these two websites, Nexus Notes and Stavia, and it's absolutely free for you to list your notes on these sites. Start cutting your profits today. Number 11. Be an online tutor. Do you enjoy teaching and you want a flexible way to make extra cash? Then you can join a few sites like Udemy, TutorMe, where you can earn yourself some real money by just sharing your knowledge with others. You can join TutorMe, whereby they have flexible schedule that you can decide when and how you want to tutor from anywhere as long as you have a computer. With internet access, you'll earn at least $16 per hour plus bonuses. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video. Click the notification bell down below so that you can get notified when I release new videos. See you in my next video.